Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss bone conduction testing. This is the transducer user for BC testing. Bone vibrators are transducers composed of diaphragms encased in plastic. During bone conduction evaluation, the circular vibrating plastic surface of the bone vibrator is held in contact with the patient's skull by the tension of a metal band. By comparing air conducted and bone conducted thresholds, site-of-lesion information can be obtained. Let's see the results from bone conduction, which helps to diagnose the type of hearing loss like conductive hearing loss, sensory neural hearing loss, and mixed hearing loss. In conductive hearing loss, that is outer ear occlusive disorder, may hinder air conduction energy from reaching the inner ear. In such cases, air conduction thresholds would be poorer than 0 dBHL, at least at some frequencies, to a degree dictated by the occlusive disorder. Bone conduction thresholds, in contrast, may be unaffected if the outer ear bone conduction component is not hindered. Bone conduction thresholds would be near 0 dBHL and accurately reflect sensory or neural hearing. The result is a hallmark of conductive hearing loss: air conduction thresholds greater than 10 dBHL. Lower than normal bone conduction thresholds. Bone conduction thresholds are often improved by occlusive disorders due to the occlusion effect. Neither sensory nor neural disorders hinder energy from reaching the inner ear by the air conduction route or by any of the bone conduction routes. Changes in air and bone conduction thresholds are affected only by the damage to sensory or neural structures, which will lower air and bone conduction thresholds similarly. Air and bone conduction thresholds will therefore be similar, plus or minus 10 decibels. And mixed hearing loss audiogram will therefore show evidence of both the sensory neural hearing loss, affected air and bone conduction thresholds, and the conductive hearing loss, air-bone gaps, greater than 10 decibels.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more information.